What up? What up? We live. We live. Woo! Got the chat going. Oh, Donovan is up in here already and stay blue. What up? I traded some evals Degen style earlier, but stacking gains in my PA accounts, which is honestly all that matters. Boom, boom, boom. You guys up? What are you guys up to? Yo, Vexus. You guys trading? I gotta pin this at the top. I'm still getting I'm just setting everything up real fast. Just setting everything up, seeing what's up. Choppy day, you blew an eval? Yeah, there was a lot of chop. I actually thought we were bear flagging right here. I thought we were going to break, but we never broke the trend. If you can look, we never broke the trend to the downside. So I was kind of waiting for confirmation to break to the downside. We never got it. Instead, it broke to the upside and ran. I think we're going to trend down. I think we're going to go roll over. What up, DJ? It feels like we're going to probably hit the 34 and then roll. Maybe roll sooner. I don't know. It just kind of feels rolly. I got a lot of orders in, so you can see where my orders, I'm looking to purchase down there. So we'll see what happens. Come on. I've been waiting for it to come down here, basically. So like I said before, I mean, this was a great short. Look at it. It came all the way, hit the pivot point to the freaking T right here earlier today and got the rejection. That was like the money. That's the money shot right there. Just chopping now, just waiting for that entry. Pretty much, you know. Pretty much just kind of waiting and waiting. What up, Dave? Yeah, it's a oh, Lee Watt. I didn't see you. What's going on? Oh, I think we are gonna roll though. It seems very. I might take a shot here. Roro, what's good? What is good? Damn, it's gonna blow right through it. I definitely thought we were going to reject and roll over, come down, hit this pivot point, and bounce. Or are we going to do it? But they just want to flash it up real quick. Yo, Cornelius. Yo, my weekend was good, man. I had kid birthday parties I went to. I played some baseball. Yeah, I mean, I was outside pretty much the whole time. What was nice was the storm just cleared out, so it was real nice weather. Although today's kind of Gloomy out. 645 breaks. Should see some upside. Yeah, I mean, this is a big area. You got the 21 on the 5. You got 200. You got VWAP up around here. Got a lot of stuff hanging out. Dude, I got to eat. I haven't eaten lunch yet. My wife's bringing me Chick-fil-A. You guys have Chick-fil-A by you? So I can't wait to freaking dip my face in some Chick-fil-A right here on the stream. You guys can watch me devour freaking, dude, that Chick-fil-A sauce. Oh, can't wait. Is this the roll? Ooh, I didn't get stopped out here too. Oh, it's money. That was a nice play. If anybody just followed me there, by the way. Any of you guys followed? That was a beautiful play. What was it anyways? That was about 10 points, 12 points. Dude, that was nice. Trying to get this account over. This is one of those evals. Yo, Nizam. Hi, I hope you're doing well today. I am doing well. Thank you very much. All my PA accounts are up. And that's my biggest focus is PA accounts. The rest are just, I'll go kind of all in or go super heavy, and I'll either blow them or whatever. But yeah, when it comes to accounts, these are the ones that will get me payouts, and that's what it's about, getting the payouts. How are you doing? Are you up today? Anyone passing some evals, getting some payouts? How you guys doing? Green, green, green. That's a good sign. What up, Andy? Yo, Andy, how's the new script doing? How's the new script treating you? I feel like we're going to come down here. It's crazy how much slower the market is today compared to all of last week. So far better than last week. Can't complain. That's good. I just noticed how much slower the market is. Like the market moves are just much slower. I feel like we're back to how it normally is compared to last week. Last week was crazy. Yeah, I blew this one today and this one. I was just kind of freaking dicking around, going all in like an idiot. Like an idiot. It is what it is. Yeah, sometimes you just gotta dig out of there, Lee. I'm all my orders are down here. I'm kind of just prepping for a bounce off the pivot point. I'm up. Oh, Chick-fil-A. Hold on one second. I'm back. I'm back. If you don't know, I feel bad for you. Oh no. My straw. Boom. Let's see what we got going on here now. Woo! Dude, I got my fries. I got my fries. I got my Chick-fil-A sauce. Oh yeah, I got 3 Chick-fil-A sauces. Sweet. Dude, I apologize in advance, but Daddy needs to freaking eat. I haven't eaten all day. No breakfast, no lunch. Let me see what we got. Yo, put some Grey Goose in that lemonade. Yo, I got a sweet tea. What up, Billy? I'm waiting for it to come right down to my spot. I got my orders lined up. What I'm looking for is an overshoot currently. Drop it past the 18,600. Give it an overshoot, and then hit bounce off the pivot point is really what I'm shooting for here. Come on, just freaking drop it. All right, here we go. Here we go. Here go my sandwich too. Come on. Just roll it over. Just roll it over. Come on. Dude, Chick-fil-A is amazing. I don't know how they put so much goodness in this little thing. I might take a short right here. Come on, don't do me like that. Roll it. There we go. Just roll it over. What do you think it will be? Look short. I think we're going to go down to this area. That's kind of why I have orders down here. Also, so you could see that I have orders down there. I put them in already. It's not like I tell you I like it, and then next thing I tell you I made a bunch of money. Like I am very transparent about all my orders and everything, so you guys can see everything. Up here, there's just no play for me currently. Like we're kind of above the 34. Like I'm not gonna buy up here. We just bounced. Like we could go up, but like we just bounced. Yo, what's good, Willie? Yo, I'm up in all my PA accounts. That's what's really good. I haven't eaten all day. Like, you can't chase this. Like, literally, we bounced off 1600. That's awesome. But, like, I'm not buying it 30 points into the bounce. Sorry. I don't want to catch FOMO. Good shit. I'm dude, $16 away. So you can flip contracts for 2 days, Willie. It's in their thing that you only have to trade 80% of the days like normal. But you need $16 more. I would trade micros, to be honest with you. What size account is that? Damn, you flipped 2 days already? What is that, a 300? What account gives you 5K? Oh, it's 2 accounts. Yo, if they penalize, dude, I stay blue. I thought you were done with Apex. Oh, you have 1 PA? Yeah. I mean, a lot of people getting paid still. I don't know anybody that's been denied lately. It was just that one kind of clip that everybody denied that was crazy. Outside of that, I don't know anyone that's gotten denied. Crazy. So I gotta bring the chat up here so I can see it. Sometimes people's names are cut off on the thing I'm looking at. Come on, dump this thing already. Damn, stay blue. Oh, baby. Dude. Now, while he does that, are you going to breathe and relax? Just asking for a friend. So what are you hot on now? Are you hot on Take Profit Trader? Is that where you're at? Oh, My Funded Futures? I mean, the only thing I don't like, I mean, I like My Funded Futures. Topstep is good. Take Profit Trader is good. My Funded Futures. The thing I don't like about My Funded Futures was, what was it? Oh, it was the scaling. You could only do one contract, right? In the beginning? Right? They have scaling accounts where you do one contract. I think that's what got me where I was like, I wasn't quite having it. It was one contract until you make $1,200, I think it was. Yeah, it was like $1,200 in profit, gets you 2 contracts. It's like, dude, 1,000. That expert plan is expensive. I mean, like anything, you get what you pay for. Come on, drop this thing, man. I need you to drop it like 50 points. No, so it's kind of like take profit trader at that point. But take profit trader is cheaper. Oh yeah. We gotta do the math, man. Yo, Jimmy D, you gotta do the math. Like, say you pass 1 in 3, and take profit traders $85, but my funded futures is 165. You know, you gotta buy 3 of those accounts that are $80 more. Yeah, you can have 5 pro accounts now. Wow, look at that freaking candle. Somebody just got faked out. Somebody's like, Monica! You know? Yeah, you hit the daily loss limit, your account's blown. I mean, you just need some self-control. When it starts getting close, you just got to stop. I mean, I can't really blame them for that. Like, yo, Jimmy, you up? You slamming this day? Yeah, but I mean, like, you guys should see you should see the daily loss limit and say, hey, I'm down freaking $1,000. Like, let me just cool off and stop for the day. I can't blame them for that. Damn, I'm gonna have freaking Chick-fil-A fried juice all over here. You know, I just can't blame them for that. But other than that, one account and the rest, damn, you hit the daily loss limit, dude. Yo, Brian, what's up? That pickle juice. Bro, these fries are so addicting. I mean, I'm just trying to clean up my desk right now. I apologize, guys. I haven't eaten all day, and my wife just said I was about to eat lunch at like 12. And my wife's like, oh, I'm going to Chick-fil-A with the kids. So I was like, oh, man, get me Chick-fil-A. They were supposed to do drive-through. Instead, they ended up eating in there. So I didn't eat until just now. And man, Chick-fil-A so good. I kind of missed the big moves of last week. This is kind of sucky right now. Come on, man. All right. I'm done with the fries. I'm done. Chick-fil-A is done. Got to clean up the old workstation. Make sure I got nothing on my mouth. You guys aren't freaking, you know, I got to wipe my chin. And, I'm back. Have you seen oil and gold? Holy shit. Oh, no. What are they? Are they going through the roof, Jimmy? I bet you they're going through the roof. oil chart. Oh man, crude is up 3% today. Yo, I'm just gonna tell you guys right now. Warren Buffett has been buying Oxy stock forever. It's OXY. I'm just saying he's not buying it for his health. Just throwing it out there. It's on a massive, massive long base. And he's not purchasing for his health. Dude, I mean, he's been loading the boat. He's backing the truck up on Oxy, their oil company. I mean, he's been buying it for over a year, and I think it's one of his largest holdings. Buffett. For any of you guys that are looking at this stuff, it's massive. Yeah, gold's. Here it is. Let me see if I can just pull it up for you. Dude, it's crazy. Percentage of the portfolio. Oxy makes up 4.62%. It's his sixth largest holding. And he just keeps adding to it. He just added another 7.26 million shares. He owns that and he owns Chevron. So he's not buying oil for nothing. Just, yo, listen, don't shoot the messenger. I'm just giving you guys my, I'm just telling you what's going on. That's all. That's all I can say. I'm just trying to help you out, give you the information. Other than that, this looks like it's going to freaking, this kind of looks bear flaggy. Anybody in anything right now? Anybody actually in a position currently? I'm toying with going short, so I'm somewhere on this pop. Man, I need them to bring it down here. Oh, you a long? Long and strong. Yeah, I'm in. I guess the long at 18,600 would have been a good shot. Outer Circle Traders, welcome to the stream, my man. Welcome. You are in long too. I don't dislike it. I don't dislike it. I just feel like we're going to get a lot of chop here. Yeah. I think we're going to chop here for a little bit. Brian, you haven't been in all day? What do you trade at work, right? For the most part? That's a good job, just freaking trading at work. Brad Rogers, welcome to the stream. You're done at 950. Why? What'd you hit at 950? I don't know what time zone you're in. Maybe you hit this short out the gate. Out the gate, dump a dump. Come on, let's go short right here. Yeah, that'll do it. Ah, yeah, basically the bottom. I'm just waiting for this. I'm waiting. Ooh, and I'll take it right at the trend. Oh, baby. Fees on my funded future trader rate pricey though. Why? What's the fees? What are they doing? Oh, this thing's starting to break down. Yeah, man. Hey, you know what, Brian? Not taking a trade is a trade. Not being in a position is definitely a position. You know, you don't need to be in something at all times. That was a good little hit, though. Just got to hold this little trend line. Otherwise, we going down. Maybe I'll get filled. Oh, man. Yeah. That's not great. This is the retest. I wonder if it retests and rolls over. I took this short because this was the lower high right here, and it kind of looked like we were tumbling. I mean, you know, what do we get? Like 20, not like 20 points out of it. I want to see continuation though. That's what I really want to see. Got to get that continuation. Dave, smash the likes. Hey, if you're in, like button on the give the video some loving. Give some video loving. Smash the likes. Dan, did I miss a play already? Dude, that's your favorite pattern, Jay. Smash it, smash it. Paris, I'm up in all my funded accounts already today. What up, Justice? Yeah, today's a good day. I mean, the evals or whatever. I mean, I'm working them up, but the real money is always PA accounts, and that's where I really care about. So this one is over already for a payout. That's why I'm not trading. Hey, man, you don't have to trade yet. Paris, I one time did not make a trade until like 3:30, and I banked massively. So you really don't have to trade, and then all of a sudden something comes about, and when you see it, you see it. Oh yeah, I was done with eval, Steve Blue. They rebuild overnight, and I didn't know they were rebuilding. So they rebuild, I think, over the weekend. And when I started up the computer today, they were there. So that's kind of why I went all in on two, because I was like, eh. So you can lock yourself out, Brad. You know that, right? In Apex. I don't know if you watched my video over the weekend. Dude, you just go here, you go to the risk settings, and you can just lock yourself out. Daily profit trigger, daily loss limit. You could set your own daily loss limit. You could do whatever you want. Apex has it. This is Apex. So you can lock yourself out if you want. Just remember, you heard that here first. I did, but my other account don't show up. What, in Apex? What, to lock it out like that? You don't have that? Bro, that's what happens, man. But typically I make a ton of trades. Like let's be real. Let's be real. Yo, what up, Corey? Yo, you press reset on everything. Now you're up 2 Topstep eval accounts and 1 take profit trader. Yeah, man. Sometimes you got to hit the old reset button. Been there more than once. You click this button right here, application settings, Brad. Right there. It's web based, so me and you are on the same platform. It's not like I got to download. I would ask Apex. Everyone's using the same Tradeovate because it's a web browser application. It's not something you download and have to update. So we're using the same version, and then you just would click that. If that doesn't work, I would reach out to Apex. Yo, just remember who showed you how to trade, Jay. Just remember. Yep, just pat myself on the back. It's all good. I got you, bro. I got you. Dude, I need somebody to start trading options with, bro. You need to take some of that freaking PA money and start trading some options with me. What up, Tito Tricks? Oh, trying to get this freaking, I'm waiting for this freaking short to pan out. This thing has teased me too many times here. I have a feeling it's not going to break. I will. Can you show us your TradingView 9 and 34 EMA? I can't find them individually on TradingView. Oh, you got to use the script. So I use this script. So if you type in EMA 20, this will come up. It looks like this. And then you're going to hit this button right here, source code. And you change it. You can change it on here, or what you do is you copy this code, hit copy, and then you open up a new script, paste this code, and then change the numbers for 8, 34, whatever ones else you want. And that's how you do it. That's exactly how you do it. Here's the button. So you would do new indicator, and then you paste this, and then you could change the colors too. So you could change, any of these colors. You just got to look at all the colors that are allowed. Not every single color is allowed. So that's the deal. Like if you typed in like teal might not come up. So I just want you to know that. Like there's a form. I don't know where it is. You got to dig it up, but it shows you everything that's available. Oh, you were trying it in the settings? Yeah, no, you got to do it in the script. Let me look. Yeah, no, you don't do it in there. Nope. Yeah, no problem, man. Anytime. And then Tradeovate's easy too. You could do indicators, and you could add moving averages on Tradeovate. You can add the SMAs, and then you can do a like this is, I think, the 9, and then this one's the 34. So Jawan CPI, I gotta scroll up on this chat. CPI week is usually wild. Surprised I was able to pass my 150K Topstep account today. I mean, you got some moves today. I mean, you got the break out of the bear flag to the upside, and then you just broke back down. I mean, in theory, we haven't really gone much today. What's interesting though is look, highs, the highs just keep getting lower and lower all day. Higher highs, lower highs. So, we haven't made a lower low than here or here. So we're kind of holding, but we're getting really tight. I feel like the way is going to be to the downside if I had to guess. I know there's a couple of earnings this week. You want to keep an eye on that. I would watch, but we're definitely going to get a move soon. It's definitely getting tight. Tight. Here we go. I'm going to keep it super, super tight here. The reason is we rejected off the 21 on the 5 again, and I'm curious if we dump right here. Come on, baby. Give me the dumper. Give me the dumper right now. Do not come back up. Do not. Do not come. Do not come. Come on, baby. Come down. Just break it to the downside. It's just due. So CPI, I want to see what there's other news this week also. Here we go. Here's the news for the week. Yeah, Jimmy D. Do not come. Do not come. Yeah, so you have core PPI tomorrow at 8:30. You have CPI year over year at 8:30. You have core CPI on Wednesday with that. You have jobless on Thursday. Retail sales Thursday. You got import Thursday. Got a lot of stuff, a lot of different news on Thursday. Nah, Apex is, I don't know. Are they? What are they doing? Why'd you think they were going to do 90% off, Corey? Dude, they got 2 days and 9 hours for the 80% still. I don't know what they're going to do, but I have a feeling they just they run the same deal of 80% off. I think it's working well for them. That would be my my thought process. Yeah, I have a feeling they're going to keep 80. They just keep extending the same stuff. They can't go lower than 80. The problem is people are getting used to doing the 80% off, and now you're not going to be able to like raise it. So 80 is the new floor, and then they're going to sprinkle in 90 around like Black Friday and a couple of events when they really need extra sales. But that's what's going on. They're not going to do 90% off all the time. They also got pressured last time when they did 90% off. Topstep was running a deal. There's a couple bigger deals out there. So I think they lost a lot of people and they had to do 90% off. That's my honest opinion. That's why they're doing the deal. I don't know if you guys watched my video over the weekend, but why they're pushing you to the 150, 250, 300s is they're so much harder to pass. That's why they're doing the $85 one-time fee, because they have all the data that it's harder for you to pass. And, everything else that comes along with that. Dude, this is just getting tight, tighty tight. Look at that. My bias is still to the down. So much, yeah. So you guys that are super degens, there's a lot of news coming out the next couple of days at 8:30. If you are looking to pass accounts, I heard from a birdie. That birdie is actually myself. You could pass a lot of accounts on news. Do not trade your funded accounts. Did he come? Bro, I need this to come down so bad. So news is coming up. If you want to pass accounts, I know you can pass them very, very quickly. I've done it a lot of times. I'm probably going to take some shots this week. I'm probably going to play. I'm going to play PPI tomorrow on news. I'm going to play CPI on news on Wednesday. I'll probably play jobless claims every day at 8:30. I'm probably going to play news. So I will be a complete degenerate and play news. Dude, I'm putting a stop up here. So yeah, YOLO all day, every day, twice on Sundays. I'm full blown in, baby. You know, I'm full blown in on the news. News. I find the news is good to pass. You could pass 50Ks like that, but passing 150Ks is pretty legit also. Or you can easily get like $2,000 or $3,000 in one. So you'll see me buying accounts tonight. So I'm probably gonna get a handful of Apex accounts. Woo! What are we doing here? I may or may not get a Take Profit Trader account, and may or may not get a Topstep account. But I'm definitely getting Apex accounts. I'll definitely get. I might get a Bull Knox if he turns out the 90% off. So I'm looking to pass accounts in one day is what I'm doing. What's the deal with my funded futures? I probably do my funded futures account. Why not? You know what I'm saying? Just sprinkle a my funded futures account in there. I might hook them up to Ninja Trader if I have time tonight to what do you call it? To copy trade them all. You know? I'm thinking about trying a 250 account, but man, I don't know how to pass those. I'll be honest with you. You could buy 27 contracts and you basically have to go all in and get like 10 grand in one trade. And then you only need 5,000 more to pass. That's how I passed them. And that's how I pass. So 250K accounts aren't really worth it. I'm keeping it real. Most people won't even tell you. Most guys want you to buy the 250s. I'm just telling you the truth. Your pass rate is going to suck so bad on 250s that it's just not worth it. Don't do it. Don't do it. 150 is good. You just got to remember, man, like it's not 1-to-1. So like a 50K, you got to make 3,000. The drawdown's only 2,500. But when you start going up to 150, you got to make $9,000, and the drawdown's only 5K. So the spread starts becoming pretty large as you move up. And I just don't want to see you guys, like a lot of new traders are like, oh, 150K. Like, you know, honestly, it's not 150K. Honestly, it's a $5,000 account, because once you get funded, if you lose $5,000, it's a bust. So truthfully, it's a $5,000 account. You know, they just call it a 150 to make it sound all good, but I'm telling you, it's a $5,000 account. That's all it is. Just like a 50K account is $2,500 account, because if you lost $2,500, the account goes up in smoke. You know what I'm saying, guys? Do you guys get the math, right? Like I just want to make sure everyone's on the same page. Apex sucks compared to my future. Keith, I think every prop firm has a place for a certain type of trade. You know, like Apex is great to degen and try to pass in one trade on news. Like I wouldn't do that with an $80 my funded futures account, but I would do that with a $33 Apex account. You know, I think each one serves their purpose, and that's why I use multiple accounts. After you're funded with the 150K account, what's my profit target? Then it's $5,100, Corey, and then you can take out $2,750. I got to look at my funded futures. I mean, I have too many accounts. I gotta start copy trading is my issue. Because outside of these, I also have 3 more funded accounts on Apex on this laptop that's next to me. Yeah, I mean, I get it. And like I tell everybody, if that's a big issue, then Apex is not for you, and you should go to another firm without a doubt. Like I definitely understand where you're coming from. Like I don't DCA, so to me it's not a big deal at all. Like it doesn't affect my trading at all. But some people want a DCA, so then they go to, you know, my funded futures or take profit trader. You know, you just use a different firm. That's perfectly fine. And that's why it's nice how many firms there are out there, because you have a choice. Dude, how can we pass Topstep evals? This daily loss limit sucks. Dude, if you're losing $1,000 a day, you're probably not going to pass anyways. If you buy in zones and you're looking for larger moves, yeah. No, man, I buy in zones too. You can see right here. I mean, this is an eval, but I'm buying three purchases. I used to do 4 or 5 purchases of 5 micros at a clip. Dude, Apex. Hey man, if it's not for you, it's not for you. But yo, Apex about to send me $2,000 on my funded account, so they could Hey bro, does Apex have a hard stop loss rule? Ron, DCA is dollar cost averaging. So on a funded account, if you're looking at my screen, dude, I know people that I can get denied. I'm not above any of you guys. Ron, so see how I'm buying 3 contracts here? They don't want you to buy 3 contracts. They want you to place one trade, and then you can add to that trade one time with the same amount of contracts that you bought the first time. And after that, what they don't want you to do is keep buying more and more and more and more as the price goes down. That's dollar cost averaging. Now, Apex is fine to me. Like I don't have an issue with them at all. I've gotten paid every single time. I like the cost of their accounts. You know, like if I'm going to fork over $80, I'm going to fork over $85 and go to Take Profit Trader. Probably. I think Take Profit Trader is the best for payouts because you can get paid daily. I'm all over that. Yeah, no, I know, but some of these new people that don't know any better might take you for like real. So that's why I'm just kind of like saying the other side of it. But I fully understand where you were coming from. If you were denied a payout, it sucks because you work so hard and whatnot. And I do think they take forever to pay. I'm not defending that. They take a long time to pay. Their payouts suck compared to their payouts suck compared to Take Profit Trader. Like Take Profit Trader pays you like the same day. Like you can't. I don't know how you can beat that. That's the only thing you gotta do is get past the buffer. Did you request a payout, Nism? Whoa, that's all cool, Keith. I'm glad I made it to your bathroom. I'm pooping while watching you, Keith says. Bro. I put you on I got you on the stream. Bro. That's freaking awesome, man. That's probably the best freaking comment I've seen in a very long time. That's freaking amazing. Love. Yo. Dude. Yeah. Oh man, Luvi maybe. Yeah, I mean it sucks when you hit that. Yeah, but you know, because of that, it allows you to get daily payouts. Like I would say their rules are not great, but being that you can get daily payouts, it's where it's at. Like, you know, nobody else is providing that currently. Alyssa Trades, what's going on? Way to see you here today. So yeah, I mean, you got to take every prop firm has good and bad. Like Apex takes forever to pay. They have a 30% consistency rule. There's a bunch of downfalls about Apex, but then the good side is low cost accounts. You could pass in one day. You can't DCA. That's negative. And then you have Take Profit Trader. Well, the account is $85 versus Apex $33 or $35. It's more money. And the eval, there's a 50% consistency rule. That sucks because you can't pass in one day. Like there's rules everybody has that makes one different than the other. Yeah, Apex, you could have 20 accounts. bull knocks. You can only have 3. Like there's, everything is different. I didn't understand what you asked me. I was in a trade. What did I ask you? I think that's like 18 conversations. How long until I get paid from Apex? Oh, did you submit a payment request yet? Did you pass an account? My funded futures, you could pass in one day. Yeah, but you can't get paid in one day. You can't get paid the next day. Like you can get paid the next day with Take Profit Trader. And that's why Take Profit Trader beats everybody when it comes to payouts. There's not another firm that does it. You can get paid in one day on my funded futures. Let me see. Let me see his. Dude, you're going to make me go to this? My funded futures. What, they just change that? Let me see. Minimum trading days, 1 trading day. Daily loss limit, none. Max trial to activation, starter only. Starter only, starter only. How it works on the starters. So my funded futures has the scaling, which sucks, obviously. Dude, it says weekly payouts. Are you talking about the starter plan? Yeah, you have to have 5 green days. That's what I'm talking about. Did you say drink 2 Celsiuses back to back for the stream? Bro, I don't even like drinking 1 Celsius. 1 Celsius gets me going. 2. I drink 2 Celsiuses on the stream. I might poop my pants. Yo, Robert, what's up? Yeah, no, that's fine. I'm talking if your account gets funded, you can make enough money in one day and get paid the next day with Take Profit Trader. Why don't I? Here's my Take Profit Trader accounts. Why don't I was funded. I had 2 funded accounts with them, and I got freaking smoked. I went on tilt, Grinch. True story. I went on tilt on the stream. That's why I don't have. That's why I don't have it. I traded it today, dude. Look, I'm up 800 in this one, and I'm down 1,600 in this. How much more do you want me to trade it? I have orders sitting right here. Why don't I trade it more? I trade it a lot. The issue is I stay in here because there's more accounts to select from. But I trade this. What? Oh, Keith. How come you pass Apex accounts so easy? Because Apex accounts are $35. And I let my little kid hit the button that I don't care sometimes, and it goes over. I don't want to pay $85 for an account and YOLO it. I don't YOLO Take Profit Trader accounts because they're expensive. I tend to trade them. I trade them in between my funded account and an Apex eval. So it's more important than an Apex eval, but it's not as important as a funded account. Oh, my PP hits the button. Dude, I mean, but the activation fee on Apex makes it more expensive. Not exactly. All right, so you want to do the math? Say it takes 3 accounts to get over, right? So that's 3 accounts I have to purchase. The activation fee on Apex makes it more expensive than Take Profit Trader. It doesn't. Take Profit Trader activation fee is $130 right now, and the account is $85. So that's over $200. And an Apex account is $37, and the activation fee is $105. It's $60 cheaper, and that's 1-to-1. And then every account that I need to pass Apex becomes $50 cheaper every time. 3 accounts? Bro, that's passing 1 out of every 3. How many do you pass? 1 in how many? I don't pay for the lifetime. The lifetime, dude, I'm paying 105 because that account's either going to give me $2,000 or it's not going to give me anything. Well, now they do, Ron. That's the deal. That Take Profit Trader. Oh, so many, dude. You guys got so many questions today. All right, so they do. They reimburse you the fee. Take Profit Trader, if you use the coupon code, will reimburse you the eval fee. Okay, well, all right. So say I pass 1 in 3, stay blue. Apex cost me $100 in evals. Take Profit Trader cost me $250 in evals. So then I take the 100 from Apex plus the one time. I'm all in for $260. I'm in almost $260 just on 3 evals, and then I still have to pay $130 on Take Profit Trader. Buddy the Elf, what's your favorite color? Anytime somebody says favorite color, it's all I can think. Buddy the Elf, what's your favorite color? And then when he picks up the phone, bro, what's my favorite food? Mexican food. Yo, if you're not down with Mexican food, I don't know. Can't help you. I just bought a 150K Take Profit Trader test. I wish you the best. Treat it nice. Woo! Do I use wet wipes? I have wet wipes everywhere in the house because I got kids. Dude, I use wet wipes for freaking everything and anything you could think of now. Yo, I don't know why single guys don't have wet wipes on, like, even on the table. I freaking use wet wipes. I used wet wipes to kill ants the other day. Oh my God. Get my helmet on. Dude. Man, I'm taking some serious fire today. All right, weird way to compare. If you're failing that many evals, how many evals does it take you to pass? I thought 1 in 3 was good. Get you. Oh man, Keith, what happened to all of my accounts? All these accounts. I also have 3 funded accounts on my laptop, which is right here. I don't go to Take Profit Trader. You guys ask why I don't trade Take Profit Trader. I go to Take Profit Trader. It says, like, where's all your accounts at? Oh man, this is awesome. Any other questions? Anybody else have questions? I got answers. Oh man. Why does Apex suck? Why? If you watched my video this weekend, I think they hit, like, honestly, I don't know why, but I think they hit a cash flow issue back in July. And what they did was they decided to enforce the rules to save money on payouts to get some cash. Oh my God, Keith, jeez, man. Did you cough today? Only when he put his hand on me and said cough. I coughed twice for good luck. Oh man. Dude, this is like the ultimate chop fest. What the hell is going on here? Am I talking about Daryl? Oh man. You guys. This is what happens when the market gets stale. Can we roll over already? I mean, geez, this is getting get good, more trades, less talk. The market's not going anywhere. We've gone 18. We're in like a 15, 20 point range. Kinja just comes in here and puts the raffle thing in just to check. All right, here we go. Come on. Five points is all you need. Dude, this is like, I don't know why it got all choppy. I guess CPI is tomorrow, so everybody's kind of like cautious. I just took a little scalperoonie. Oh, man. Dude, I saw it. Somebody's on full alert over there. That I will say. I got an alert earlier that all-time high for gold right now. Jeez, that's not good, by the way. Gold hitting all-time highs is not a good thing. Just throwing it out there. You do not want that's like a place for safety and whatnot. That's not something you want to be seeing. Woo! Kamala Harris will fix everything. Jeez. Good for me. I'm wearing a gold chain. All right, this was a good trade right here. Oh, baby, that was money. That was money. That was good. Dude, I mean, watch oil go parabolic. I'll be honest with you. Hulk smashed them likes. The crucial. Everybody smash the like on the video. Give some video love. Smash them likes. I DCM my Apex 250K. Can't wait to meet Daryl. I'm going to start freaking. Yo! Dude. That's hysterical. I'm gonna start showcasing the good quotes on the screen for everybody. But yeah, the Middle East is getting nutty. I showcase mine. Oh, geez, come on, Nitro. I gotta draw the line somewhere. I mean, Keith told me he was listening to me while he was taking a poo. That's probably as far as I can go. Showcase mine. There's all these cool tools I'm just playing around with over here. So yeah, so there's news every morning at 8:30 this week, pretty much. So it's definitely interesting. I'm a tool. If you need accounts, save money, use the coupon code. Do not pay full price. I don't know. I don't. I've definitely placed trades in my car. I try not to, but I've definitely done it. The old car trade. Can this finally drop down here? Jeez, come on, man. Am I going to give back that freaking awesome? Come on. Roll this over. I feel like if it gives it up, we're gonna make a lower low than over here. That's no bueno. Oh, come on, man. Don't do me dirty like that. Let's go. Come on, I just caught that huge drop, and now you're gonna do me like this? Man, this is some serious freaking chop zone. Let's go. All right, here's one for you guys. I got to end this. Let's see if I could start one up here. There you go. Let's see. Which prop firm you guys like the best? Let's see what everyone thinks. I'm curious. Yo, if you wrote other, put your other in the chat. I'm curious what your other is. Oh, DeCrucial, you got 5 running at a time? That's freaking awesome. Fast track. Oh, Topstep. That makes sense. That makes sense. I was just kind of curious what you guys are using outside of, they don't allow me to add in more options. So that's why dude, and 5 backups. Jeez. Damn, dude. You're ready to freaking rock. I'm guessing you have 550Ks is what I would assume. Justice, have you been paid by Fast Track Trading yet? Dude, that's gone though. The crucial. That's all gone. Yo, that's so weird. I never even that whole Streamlabs thing. That's new. Oh, so yeah, so you've had these accounts for a while. Yeah, you've had them for a while. I'm gonna say I haven't seen that in ages. That was only a week? No. Come on, man. Oh, I just went to look at this. Dude, we're literally just freaking chopping around. Like, people are getting some crazy payouts. I am in their Discord. I just can't send them a wire. I'm waiting for credit card payments. I just can't do it, man. I got rules. I have a code that I live by. And part of that code is I cannot pay a prop firm in Dunkin' reward points. I just can't. Dude, it's got to get out of this zone. It's got to get out of it. Well, tomorrow's CPI, Joseph. So tomorrow's going to rock one way or the other. Chuck E. Cheese tokens, bro. I got my Dave & Buster's coupon tickets. You feel 680 pump and drop. Yeah, July 29th is like, dude, that's like 2 weeks ago. Dude, I'm telling you, they got to accept credit card payments. I don't understand what the big deal is. Any business accepts it. I don't know why they don't. That's freaking weird. Come on, what are we doing here? What are we freaking doing here? Dude, we got, what is it? I think PPI tomorrow. Oh, what the fuck is going on there? Who turned out the lights? What light? What happened? You need a violent push? I'm kind of likening it to the upside because they broke this trend right here and they could have easily sold it off and they did not sell it off. So being that this was not a sell-off and you kind of double bottomed right here, I kind of think it's going to be pushed to the price movement lights. I'm kind of liking my thesis is turning to the upside now because they would have pushed this down. They had multiple opportunities to push it down and they did not. Watch, I'm going to make it go down. I just bought long, so don't worry. It's going to go down now. Buyers need to gangbang. Jeez. We getting. Oh, stretch my back out. I might take this. That was a quick little scout. I'm just trying to build momentum up here. Ooh, luckily I took that. Jeez. This has been like the worst price action. I mean, this has been going on since 2:15. We're basically in this for an hour and 15 minutes. Dude, they can't push it down either. They had multiple opportunities to push it down and they don't follow through. But they can't get the juice to the upside either. Zero juice. That's interesting. More people in here use my funded futures than anybody else so far. Asian Munda, what's up? How's your day going? Yeah, it looks like rain. Am I getting rain? I mean, I thought they were going to dump the hell out of this thing. Cove got more people in the party. Dude, it's a party over here. Yeah, all my funded, as long as my funded accounts are up, that's all I care about. So that's where I'm at. Oh, I stopped shorting at the 200, Jimmy. Even on the one, I stopped doing it. We blow past it too many times. You get this where you like blow past, and I get stopped out, and then it comes back down, and I'm like freaking annoyed. Brother Free, what's up? I haven't seen you in a bit. It's all right. Ooh, Ace in the house. It's going good. Trading. I'm up in my funded accounts, which is nice. That's all. I mean, a couple of evals are up. Couple are done. Can't complain. Things are going. just trying to. Oh, you know what? Brother Free, you just reminded me. Actually, you just reminded me to put on my freaking other indicators here that I haven't. I've been meaning to throw on. Oh, Marie, you've been waiting for the dump. Yeah. What is the cons to my funded futures? The cons are it's $80 an account versus Apex is $37. You know, you got to do, I think you have to be up 5 days of like, what is it, 5 days of $100 or $200 or something like that. They don't do like daily payouts like Take Profit Trader. I mean, oh, they have scaling. So when you have a funded account, you can only trade one contract at a time, one mini, which is 10 micros. The old, can I make it large on here? It's like a weird setting. It keeps resetting it to this. There we go. But yeah. Anyways, yeah, my funded futures is good. Just, I mean, that's pretty much it. It's $80 for a starter, but if you use my coupon code, you save an additional 5%. If you use coupon code Cove Trader, actually on really any prop firm, you save additional money. That's like not advertised money normally. Their consistency calculations are weird. Yeah, there's some weird stuff with that. What are the downsides to Take Profit Trader? They have a daily loss limit that if you hit the daily loss limit, you lose the account. It's $85 versus like an Apex of 37. Take Profit Trader is specifically used if you're getting payouts. Take Profit Trader is amazing because once you go over 52, like on a 50K, once you go over 52,000, you can request money every single day. Every single day, you can take your winnings out. There's no questions asked. And no other firm has that currently, that I know of at least. So that's what you could do it on day one. It's like, and there's no consistency rule either on the funded. So like, if you happen to make $5,000 in day one, like you can just pull out money, like thousands day one, no questions asked. So Take Profit Trader is meant for people who are getting payouts. If you're still learning and still kind of, not consistently profitable, Apex is great because you're going to pay less per account that you blow. You can get accounts for like $37. So that's how I say which one's better and everything else. Depends on where you are in your journey. Oh, man. I should do a video on all the prop firms and which ones I like and why, or at least a handful. Yeah, Apex is for people that want to gamble, I would say, because you can get the accounts for less money, so people kind of gamble a lot. Yeah, I mean, this price action, look at this. I mean, it's the same spot since basically 2 o'clock. Been sitting at this for an hour and 34 minutes, just kind of chop it around. Bullnox does not have their 90% off currently. They just took it off. They'll probably reinstate it tomorrow. Yeah, they'll probably do. Bullnox is only good when they have 90% off, which is majority of the time. But just wait until they have 90% off before you get an account. I don't want to see you guys spend any more money than you have to. And they run 90% off like 80% of the time. 60% of the time it works every time. But yeah, that's why I always tell people to use a coupon code, because I've had comments where people are like, why is this much money? I'm like, bro, you get none of the perks unless you use the freaking coupon code, man. Can't help you out. I say it over and over and over again. Oh, is this finally going to break to the downside? Come on, man. Fast track traders, your favorite? Yeah, I mean, they have a weird 20% consistency rule, right? Where you can only do 20% every day. They got something going on that's weird. Oh, here you guys go. See, normally I would short this, but I'm worried about the bounce at 18,600, which is not very far below. That is why I did not short this. I'm worried that it's going to bounce right around a little bit lower than here. Ah, Marie White, I appreciate your support. Ooh, appreciate your support, Marie. I will put I put that towards giving out free accounts this week, probably. Definitely. Well, we're going to do Friday free account Fridays, and free account Fridays just sounds good. And then we'll do I'll probably do another random one, because everybody always asks me to keep it random for whoever's in the chat at the time. Oh, you guys want to see something crazy? Dude, I got the craziest thing. Check this out. I'll be right back. Bro, I got my own duck. I'm going to ride the duck on the race. So randomly, my kid asked his uncle for a big duck for the pool. And this is what he got. It's kind of not blown up fully because he's been jumping on it. But this thing's massive for the duck race. Oh, why? Uh-oh, he's looking at you. Marie, thank you very much. I appreciate it. And I do it so you guys can what do you call it? Start earning money also. I try to provide as much knowledge as I can. I don't charge. I don't have a course. Like, I could easily make a course and charge people for it. Like I said, the only thing I ask, I provide all this. I just ask, just use the coupon code, and it saves you money. at the end of the day also. It saves you money, and you're going to use a coupon code anyways, or you should be using a coupon code. So I keep everything free. I got the Discord. People ask questions in after hours here and wherever, and I just try to provide as much value as I can to everybody that comes on the stream. I try to do that. I try to give away accounts, especially to people that need them. And yeah, just say, hey, if you're getting an account, use the coupon code. And keep it all free. No need to start charging people for anything. Duck race. I'll have a surprise duck race this week. I'm going to do it Tuesday, Wednesday, or Thursday. We'll do a surprise duck race. Dude, you like my frown face strategy? Hey, maybe you'll win, Asian Munda. Dude, during that duck race, I gotta blow this duck up. I might try to ride in this thing. Dude, it's massive. It's literally, it's like 3.5 feet tall when all blown up, and it's probably like three feet wide. I couldn't fit it through the door if it was fully blown up. Dude, I'm gonna input my own name in. I'm gonna ride it to the finish line. Give myself the account. No diddy. Yo, I'm going to blow it and ride it. Oh, man. Oh. Dude, it took me, I used a pump, and it took me over 3-4 minutes. It's just so much, it's huge. Well, this is going over the deep end now. Woo! Come on. Get under 600 and dump. Dude, you guys were complaining that my funded futures makes it so you can't last 15 seconds in a trade. Oh, man. Yeah, it's huge. It's massive. It's huge with a Y. Y-U-G-E. Huge. This is going to dump. I just feel. Yeah, I'm hoping it comes down and touches pivot point. You're not really getting any real good solid trade setups. I mean, nothing here is screaming dump my money in. You're right on that, Jimmy. You're breaking this down. See this downtrend? You're breaking the downtrend on cumulative delta, which typically does, that is a bullish sign. I'll take it and see if it's, I'll take one. Yeah. No, I mean, you're 100% right, Jimmy. I'm looking for just a quick scalp. Well, you could see it broke right here, the trend to the up. By the way, I appreciate pointing that out, Jimmy, because I really wasn't paying attention as I should have. And once you brought it up, I took it. And that's exactly how you use this. Got to remember, it's on the 1 minute, so it's mostly scalps. If you're using it on like the 5, you could probably get a bigger trend change. I want to get this over, and I'll probably never do a 150 account again. Man, this 150 account has been weighing on me. I'd like to get another 2 or 3 50s over. Oh, baby, they're just turning this back around. Yeah, yeah. Well, that's why they do it. It's you got to go up $9,000, and the trend, the drawdown, it moves up with you. You know, I like take profit trader 150s. The daily loss limit is 3,300, which gives you a little intraday buffer. I like it. Come on, drop this thing. Gee, my kids. All I hear is Alexa. Alexa. Come on. I wish every one of them was end of day. End of day is so much better, but the problem is end of day gives you kind of an edge. You know, intraday gives them more of an edge. That's why they do it. Dude, everything that they give you or take away, there's data backing it. And they know exactly if X amount of people take it, this is how many people will fail it. Like they know everything. They have all the data. They have all the data on everything. Is there any, you know, guys in this room, is there anything like you want a video on or anything? Like I can make like in my spare time, like I like to put out content each night. Is there something you guys specifically want a video on about how to do something with like the chart or whatever it may be? Like, is there something that you were like, hey, I wish I knew more about this, and I'll make I'll make the content for you? Because sometimes I even run out of ideas, and if nothing new is coming up, um, you know, it is what it is. So I just figured I'd ask if anybody's like, hey, you know, I really wish I knew more about this, and then you know, go into it. Uh-oh, is this going to be it? Oh, this consolidation is freaking killing me. I'm still leaning to the downside. Seems very downsidey right here. Just kind of like we dropped, kind of making a little bear flag, and I'm waiting for a push. Dude, patience. That's what this all is about. We might break it right here. Come on. Oh, that had it written. I mean, that was the time to push it. Push it. Push it. Dude, I'm about to get this big rubber ducky out. Oh, there we go. See, like they keep trying to push it. It keeps wicking, which means they keep buying it up, which is something you definitely do not want to see if you're trying to take this short. Because if they're just buying it up constantly, there's not enough sellers. There's just not. Like you see, the delta's moving up. I wonder how high they take this thing. Dude, that is a massive. I mean, now you broke out of this, so now this is invalidated. You can't say this is a bear flag. We're invalidated. Oh, whoa, dude. That was the 350 candle right there. That's a big green dangalang. No diddy. Dude, that was massive. Look at the size of that thing. Come on. What's crazy is this keeps flashing big way down. I'm wondering if they just dump it. I hate trading the last 10 minutes. This just gets too wild. Dude, just drop it for us all. Like, we've all been waiting for this dump. I don't understand. Just give it to us. You know what it needs? It needs a good chant. Oh, yeah. It's just playing with us. It's tickling us. It's tickling. Big boy came in. Dude, every time they try to drop it, they just pick it right back up. I'm waiting for somebody to just slam it. You can look. Cumulative delta just keeps working low. Oh, yeah. Come on. I want to see the big boy push. Woo! Man, that was a solid push. Well, here we go. We might get it right here. Oh, I'm curious if we get it. This is it. If we can get the push to the pivot point and bounce off the pivot point, I got my orders all set up. I got my orders set up. Come on. I need the push to 60 to 60. A push to 60 would be like money in the bank. Like, we hit 60 and bounce, I'm going to Sizzler right after this. Straight to Sizzler. Go get that freaking Sizzler steak. Get the soft serve ice cream. Get some mac and cheese. Don't do that. I might short this 34 right here. Let's see if I scout right here. Oh, these candles are getting wicky. Oh, they're getting wickety whack. No. Don't do it. Please. Please drop. So glad I only bought one and not more. I was going to buy more. Oh, dude. Why do you do me dirty like that? That's crazy how they dropped it like that and then they just pop it. Pop it like instantly. That's wild. Dude, this is why trading the last 10 minutes of the market could be real crazy. There's a lot of fluctuations here. I'm curious if they still sell this down. How's that sound? I was very disappointing. Like this whole area just kind of is like blah. Like we're not really going anywhere. And you can see the delta kind of stays the same. Anybody in anything for the end of day close? Like I feel like once they close this, they're going to send it up or down. Anybody taking anything or no? Come on. Just get out of the zone. Reminder, everybody, PPI tomorrow. Guys, here's your news for the week. You have PPI tomorrow, 8:30. You're probably going to be able to pass accounts. That's going to be, this is an account moving news release. Wednesday, you have CPI. That's an account moving and Java. So 3 days in a row, you could pass probably accounts if you're on the right side of the trade. I'm not telling you to do it. I'm just telling you that there's going to be news at 8:30 in the morning, and you do whatever you want to do with that information. My degenerate ass is probably going to play news every single day. I'm going to see if I can pass a couple of accounts on news the next couple of days and see if I can get 3 or 4 more funded accounts and see what happens. You can't trade funded accounts with news, so please do not do that. I don't want to see you guys lose funded accounts or be denied payouts, so do not do it with funded accounts. Apex opens up their payout window in 3 days. If anyone's going to be requesting a payout like myself, we're going to get some paid. I don't know what I'm going to do with the money yet, but I got $2,000 so far. I'm going to try stacking on that. What are we going to do? 1 minute left. 1 minute. Dude, we're right back into the chop zone. This is nutty. I will take a trade after hours if it starts going one way or the next. Done for the day. I got one more in me. I got one more in me. Yo, take it easy, Stay Blue. Oh, man, this thing's just going for it. I want to see what happens in 15 seconds. If I make my 10th day on the 20th, yes, you can. Diary of a Futures Day Trade. Yep. Oh, look at that sky. I was just up $80. What the frig? What? No way. No way. You're still waiting on a payout from last time? That's impossible. Yeah. A lot of listen, NQ can be crazy, man. I would email them like right now and be like, bro, I would tell them I've been breathing and relaxing for 2 weeks. Where's my money? Holy shit, look at this. They are just pushing this. I wonder if we get one of those freaking like 50-point moves here. Come on, push it. I'm going for a big one here. That's crazy. I got mine last time. It was approved in an hour. Like I submitted it and in an hour it was approved. Dude, it has nothing to do with it. They have no idea who I am. I know people that are bigger than me that have gotten denied. Way bigger than me that have gotten denied. I'm a pawn. Dude, that's crazy how they just pumped this up the last little bit. That's it. That's all we're going to get. Come on. I'll take one last trade. How many times have I said one last trade? I've said one last trade way too many times, but this time I actually might mean it. I might mean it. Do not follow me. This is an eval. This is not a funded account. I am definitely going to stack accounts tonight. Oh, by the way, just so you guys know, if you decide that you want Apex accounts or any accounts, I suggest getting them today, because if you try to get them an hour before the news, there's a lot of other people trying to get them an hour before the news, and they might not give you an account till after the news. So I just want to let you know, if you want accounts for news tomorrow, you should get them today or tonight at some point. Do not wait for right before the news, because you won't get the account. It's probably going to take like a couple of hours to get an account tomorrow morning. So just letting you know. All right, I took one last. Oh, I'm just asking for it. Oh, geez. Dude, I need a Celsius. I definitely need a Celsius. When I jump off this stream, I'll go get a Celsius. Are they going to sell it through? Are they going to sell it through? Come on. I took it. I took it right there. Okay, I got some of my money back right there. That wasn't terrible. I'm still in the game. I covered right at the 34. That's oh yeah, it looks like a good covering spot. Look at that. Woo! Oh man. So yeah, if any of you guys want to know anything else, now's the time to ask. Market's slow. We're done for the day. I can make a video if you need help with anything. Somebody asked me a question yesterday, but I couldn't answer it, and I forget what it was. One of the comments. Freaking tired. I might make a video on what the best prop firm is and just kind of go over what I like about each ones of the top ones. I think I've done that before, but maybe I'll do it again. Man, I kind of missed last week of just freaking going nutty. Last week was wild. I mean, that was like every candle was 20 points. I kind of liked it. I miss it now. I didn't miss it at the time, but I'm kind of missing it. This looks like it's going to sell off. Let's see if we can get pushed down. Come on. Don't do that to me. Don't do that. Come on, what are we doing here? Looks like a little flag is what. Just dump it. Just give me like 80 points down right now. 80 points down right now, and I'll stop trading for the day. Oh, I got freaking hosed. Hosed! What else we got here? What's going on? Who's on the stream? I see 31 people here. Anybody new? Comment in the stream. Say what's up. Market's closed. Who's hanging out? Who wants to say hello? Are you up today? Are you down today? What are you guys doing? Whew. Oh, man. Andy, still here. Yo, how'd the script end up today, Andy? Damn. Yo, you passed an eval? Dude, here you go, diaries. Yeah, I earned some confetti today. Nice, man. Nice. Passing the evals. Andy, up on all the PAs. Yeah, man. Congrats. Dude, let us know. Which ones you passed? Apex, I'm guessing? Oh, jeez. Yeah, Apex 50, nice. You get that funded account tomorrow. Don't go too crazy too quick. Take it slow. Build it up. Don't lose it. That's your first time passing a 50K? Dude, that's awesome then. Oh, you usually do 25s? 25, I've never done a 25 actually. I've only done 50s, 150s, and 250s. I don't do 250s. I don't do 25s. I just feel like the drawdown is light, so I normally don't. I stick with the 50s. Man, I wish I freaking passed a couple more of these accounts. Starting to move up, getting close to the payouts. Payout time. Whoa. I was just making sure there's no. This is I'm over for a payout. I tried a bunch of 150s. Yeah, well, that's why I made that video. Because people don't realize how hard it is, how much harder it is to pass a 150. And they keep doing it because it's an $85 one-time funded fee. And what happens is newer traders just keep wasting money on it. And that's why I tell everybody you should be doing, 50s because it's so much easier to pass. But they bait you with a one-time $85 fee. But if you count out how much money it costs you to get it, you're better off just going with 50s. Yeah, I know that. Hold on, I gotta get a Celsius, man. You want a Celsius? I'll send one over to you. Oh, yeah, that's right. I love you, bud. Yeah, hold on. I'm still finishing up. All right, so I have not one cold Celsius. Yeah, I leave it alone for a while. So I think they're going to continue their sale. They've been continuing their sale, and I think they're making a lot of money with the 80s. So I think what they're going to do, so they have all the data. I come from a marketing background, so I know that they have the data and they're going to keep pushing what works. And they probably know this 80% sale works with the $40, and then they're going to keep pushing the $85 one-time fee. Yeah, period dates are 1st to the 5th and 15th through the 20th. So you can request a payout this Thursday. Why are you ready for a payout, Manuel? Dude, I'm gonna slam that payout request so hard on Thursday. They have no idea what's coming. Yeah. So the window will open up on Thursday. I actually had the money in the account on the 5th, but they didn't update their day end, and I got hosed because I left and I came back after midnight and it closed. I was so annoyed about that. If Apex does a 90% sale, I will have 20 funded accounts and more in the wings just waiting to come through. They'll do it again. They'll do it. I'll be waiting. I'll be breathing and relaxing, just waiting for it to happen. Dude, not yet, but hopefully in September. Dude, you can get it. You can get it sooner. You could probably get it sooner if you wanted to. Just got to stick to what works, man. Well, I don't know what your trading strategy is, but you just got to stick with what works and do that. You know, that's the best way I can put it. You know, you really want to try passing these things within the first month so you don't have to get hit with a rebill. Just from a money perspective, you have about 20 trading days to pass these accounts, which is a lot of time to pass. That means I have till the 5th to make a payout. Yeah, 1st through the 5th. Yep. On the 5th at night, you can request it. Whew. Oh man. I'm requesting one payout on the 15th, which is this Thursday. I don't know if I'm going to get another, but I am going to try getting a bunch of paid accounts tomorrow off of news. I'm just trying to determine what I want to do. What I want to do right now. Yo, Alex, what's up, man? What up? Today was like a chop fest. It was crazy. Super freaking choppy here from I just passed last week's thing, bro. We'll do my best. Yeah, just stick with what works, man. Don't try to do anything else. There's like 1,000 people telling you to do all these things. Just stick with what works, and you'll be able to work fine. You know. Whew. All right, guys. I got to get off. I have something I got to do in 10 minutes. I got to be ready for. Tomorrow, I'll be streaming again, and possibly tomorrow night. We'll see what happens. All right. I appreciate everybody on the stream today. I will see you tomorrow. We're going to get payouts. I might stream in the morning. I don't know. We'll see. But I will be on the Discord. The Discord link is in the description of this video below. If you want to get accounts for PPI tomorrow to pass, use coupon code CoveTrader. It's the best one out there. You get the biggest discount on each firm using it. So, and that's pretty much it. I will see you guys tomorrow, and let's get them freaking payouts. Peace.